Navigation and pathfinding can often be very complex and difficult to implement efficiently. Thankfully, the navigation system built into Unity makes it very easy. Utilizing this system, we can create robust and intelligent pathfinding behaviors in our characters with very little effort. For example, we could create a basic system where one character chases another. Or we could create an obstacle course where several characters race to a goal while avoiding walls and each other. We can even add dynamic obstacles like doors that are able to block and unblock a character's path. In fact, it's actually quite easy to do. Implementing navigation within our projects requires only two basic items: a nav mesh, which is short for navigation mesh, and a nav mesh agent component. Additionally, we can achieve even more dynamic and complex behaviors by adding nav mesh obstacles. In this chapter, we will examine each of these items and see how they work together to create an elaborate pathfinding solution.